Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. So this is the question number 41 from section 3. Therefore, it is a numerical answer type question. That means we need to find a numerical answer for this particular question. So let's see what is in this question. C3 plants utilizes 18 molecules of ATP to synthesize 1 molecule of glucose from CO2. How many molecules of ATP equivalent are used by C4 plants to synthesize 1 molecule of glucose from CO2? So in C3 plants, for 1 CO2 molecules, we need 3 ATP plus 2 NADPH okay. For 3 CO2 molecules, we need 9 ATP and 6 NADPH for 6 CO2 molecules. (18 ATP and 12 NADPH molecules are required. In C4 plants, for 1 CO2 molecule, (5 ATP and 2 NADPH molecules are required. For 3 CO2 molecules, 15 ATP and 6 NADPH molecules are required. For 6 CO2 molecules, 30 unit of ATP and 12 NADPH are required. Okay. Therefore, the right answer for this question is 30. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.